Hi everyone, hi! Today I'm very excited for the painting that I will create. Again, it's based on this design. I sketched it out already on canvas, but made it a little bit more delicate, less rough or bold. And I will be doing that in the new style. So last year, the end of the year, I made these paintings and I really love the simplicity, the cleanness of them, and of course the shadow and the gold lines. So today I was thinking it will be so great to do it with this design. I made a color palette, it's very neutral. And these are the colors, and also I'll be using gold. These are all custom colors. I did a little sketch. So I will be taping shapes off, painting them, pulling the tape, taping again, painting, pulling the tape. Here we go. I want to start with this shape over here. That's this one. Also, maybe you noticed, the canvas is not white. I already painted it a very light beige, and I did that because I also want to use white shapes and they need to give a little bit of contrast. For this, I will be using quite some different mediums too. I think I will also use a pencil and also some gold leaf. But first, let's create the opaque shapes. This shape I would like to have in this pale green color, and this shape more in this color that would be a little bit darker than the background. But I'm starting with the less prominent shapes really. I will let these two dry, cover them again, and let's pull off the tape. Let's pull off this tape. It's always a moment of truth. Okay, now I will be working on a dark shape. This dark green shape that will be here. Working on these pieces is super soothing for me. Because it's so crisp, it's so clean. I already have the design. Yeah, I really liked it. Titanium white, olive green dark, and a Nephthol red light. Let's mix that up first. There. Okay, let's start painting. That's a stunning color. In this painting I also have two shadow shapes and I think I will start working on them already, but I have quite a lot of shapes to go still. Really nice one. 3 shapes done. Close to being done. This is quite a process because I'm taking everything off because I want those crisp lines. That's why it's taking a lot of time. There's not a lot on canvas. You know, if I make these works, I would have been already done. But hey, this takes time. Shadow shapes. Let's start working on them. Let's start taping. Let's do this thing. I will first paint it white, fully white. And after that I will go in with some gray and make a shadow over here. And the great thing now, because the background is not white, this will quite give some contrast, I guess. Letting that dry, and then I'll continue here on also a shadow shape. I'm also always super excited when those shadow shapes work out, because that really makes these paintings. Let's do the same thing with this shape, and I think after that you will start seeing the vision a bit more, because I know you're probably just not seeing that at this moment. This turned out great, very happy with that. Let's move on to some smaller shapes. And I understand if you don't see the vision yet. So let me show you the design that I created. This is what I'm creating. This is what I have in my head. In the design you don't see the shadow shapes, so that will be a little bit of a surprise. Yeah, well, let's keep working and see if everything comes together. So in this shape, here. I want a very dark blue. It looks almost black. And I'm mixing that with black and a greenish blue. And I would love to hear what you think about these paintings. I feel like the editing for all the different layers and stages of this painting, I don't know, is it fun to watch? Is this fun to watch? Or are you just watching for me? Well, no, I would love that. I would really love that if you're just watching for me. But I don't believe that. All right, this is gonna be a dark one. Next up is this shape, and it will be a similar color to this one, just a little bit darker. I'm always surprised when these edges are so crisp. It's something I love. Slowly coming together. For this next part I will use an acrylic pencil, and it's in color Amazon Clair, if I'm pronouncing that correctly. I want to create a small leaf up here and just do the outline. Then here an opaque leaf, and maybe here a white leaf. I already did this one, by the way, off camera, just quickly. Alright, I will be taping the stem and around this leaf, and also around this leaf. Oh, I already did a part. We forgot about that. It's now late in the evening and I started this morning, so and around this, and that should be it. That should be it, and make this whole cohesive. So let's start taping again. Here we go. This is always quite a messy task. But I also use some other gold leaf with foil. I wasn't liking it yet. Now I'm using my brush to really get it into the line. Yeah, gold leaf is messy. There's everywhere. It is everywhere. So I will do the next gold leaf parts, but you will already see the end result. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Signed, sealed and framed. From sketch to design to painting. I told you, right, that I added some more gold leaf lines. Did them around these leaves. So crisp, so neat. And normally I do not sign my paintings on the front, but with this one I felt, hey, that's needed. I really like how these shadow shapes give some dimension to this artwork. Depends on where you're standing and in what light you're looking. Of course, I made more designs, so this won't be a solo one. So that's coming up. Thank you so much for watching. Let me know what you think. Would love to hear it. I'll see you next week.